Hello everybody. Today let's read Caillou Gets the Hiccups. Caillou and his family were enjoying a spaghetti dinner. Yum, spaghetti is my favourite, Caillou said. That's good, Caillou, Mummy said. Please try not to slurp when you eat. It was very hard to eat the spaghetti without slurping. While Caillou was trying not to slurp, he made a noise. Hiccup. Uh-oh, sounds like you've got the hiccups, Daddy said. The hiccups? How do I stop them? Caillou asked. Hiccups usually go away on their own, Mummy said. Caillou waited a minute. Hiccup. Hey, I waited, but they didn't go away. You have to wait longer than that, Mummy explained. Why not play in the living room? Caillou built a tower out of blocks while he waited, but a hiccup made him knock over the tower. How's it going out there? Mummy asked. These hiccups are messing up everything. Hiccup! I need them to go away, Caillou said. Sometimes hiccups can be cured by giving someone a scare, Mummy said. A scare? Caillou said. Just a little scare. It makes the person gasp and the hiccups go away. Do you want to give it a try? Mummy asked. If it'll make my hiccups go away, then okay. Hiccup, Caillou said. Mummy spread her arms out and floated like a ghost and then jumped at Caillou. Boo, Mummy said. Hey, it worked, Caillou said. Hiccup. Oh, it's not working, Caillou said. I don't think my hiccups are the kind that get scared away. Hiccup. Good thing I'm here then, Daddy said. I'm the world's #1 all-time hiccup cure champion. Come on, I'll show you. Caillou and Daddy head outside. Some people cure hiccups by drinking water really fast from a hose. It can get a little messy, Daddy said. I don't care. Hiccup, I want to try. Daddy turned on the water. Caillou tried to drink from the hose, but most of it sprayed all around. Hiccup, it didn't work, Caillou said. Daddy turned the hose off. Don't worry, Caillou, I've got another cure up my sleeve, Daddy said. The upside-down solution always works. Daddy made Caillou do a handstand. While he was upside down, Daddy held Caillou's feet for balance. Hiccups all gone? Rosie asked. Caillou hiccuped, then shook his head no. There's one more thing we can try. Daddy wasn't giving up. Let's go inside. I've saved the best for last, Daddy said. This is sure to get rid of your hiccups. What is it? Hiccup, Caillou asked eagerly. You hop on your left foot, then rub your head with your right hand, Daddy explained, showing Caillou. Caillou thought Daddy looked silly hopping around, and so did Mummy and Rosie. Caillou really wanted to get rid of his hiccups, so he started hopping too. That's it, Caillou, Daddy said. Hop those hiccups away. Caillou stopped and said dramatically, I'm still hiccuping. What if I have them forever? Hiccup, and ever and ever. Maybe I'll have to stop making spaghetti dinners, Mummy said, shaking her head. Caillou gasped. But spaghetti's my favourite, and Rosie's and Daddy's too, Caillou said. It wasn't the spaghetti that gave me the hiccups. I know it wasn't. And besides, I think they're gone. Listen. Caillou was right. His hiccups had gone away. Perhaps I scared them away by saying I wouldn't make spaghetti anymore, Mummy suggested. No, I think they went away on their own, just like you said they would. But are you really going to stop making spaghetti? Caillou asked in a very serious tone. Of course not, Caillou. I was just teasing, Mummy assured him. Thanks so much for listening to the story today. We hope you enjoyed it. So you don't miss any more fantastic stories, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.